Secrets revealed, top K-drama actors living together in 2025. 1. Kim Woo Bin and Shin Min Ah. The iconic couple whose 10-year relationship still fascinates the fans to this day. Kim Woo Bin and Shin Min Ah's love story continues to captivate fans even after nearly a decade together. Before fate brought them together in 2015 as brand ambassadors for Giordano, both felt a sense of emptiness, as if something was missing. However, their connection was instant, and from that moment, their love blossomed. Woo Bin and Min Ah were feeling lost, they couldn't connect with anyone and felt as if something was missing. Their sweet little gesture truly melts the hearts of the fans and netizens. Through the years, they have shared countless heartfelt moments, secret dates, thoughtful gestures like sending coffee trucks, and unwavering support during life's toughest challenges. When Kim Woo Bin battled cancer, Shin Min Ah stood by his side, proving the strength of their bond. Even now, their love remains evident, with Woo Bin attending the VIP red carpet of Min Ah's film, Our Season, and Min Ah sending a coffee truck to the set of Woo Bin's Netflix movie, Officer Black Belt. Despite their 5-year age gap, they deeply respect and cherish each other. Fans eagerly anticipate their next chapter, hoping that wedding bells might be ringing soon. Now that we are talking about settling down, let's talk about 2. Lee Min Ho and Song Hye Kyo. Ever since Lee Min Ho and Song Hye Kyo's iconic encounter at the 2022 Fendi fashion show in Paris, fans have been squirming with excitement, as it was a big moment for our Hallyu icon and glory queen to be in the same frame. Lee Min Ho's longest desire became true as he for a very long time kept on saying that Song Hye Kyo was his ideal type since like 2012. His confession is still the same, and it has been reported according to Korean media outlets and industry insiders that after their brief encounter at the Fendi fashion show, they have been in a secret relationship 3 long years. When it comes to the most loved relationships in Korea, everyone loves 3. Park Hyung Sik and Park Bo Young. Strong girl Bong Soon lovers who can never forget the iconic Park Hyung Sik and Park Bo Young's chemistry, right? They have been one of the most adored pairs in the Korean industry because of their swoon-worthy chemistry and their recent interactions at W Korea's event, which stole away everyone's heart. They have been close best friends, and they confessed they have romantic feelings for each other too. Their Instagram snaps are also adorable, making everyone raise their eyebrows, just wondering when Dispatch will drop their dating news soon. 4. Lee Kwang-soo and Lee Sun-bin. For 9 long years, Lee Kwang-soo and Lee Sun-bin are very much still in love to this day. Their first encounter in the SBS variety show, Running Man, where Kwang-soo couldn't help but fall in love with Sun-bin because of her charming personality. They openly admire each other in front of their friends and acquaintances, and during interview sessions, they mention each other often. The couple was recently spotted in Japan holding hands and just casually walking, which made the fans overwhelmed with joy and affection that true love does exist. 5. Girls' Generation Choi Soo-young and Jung Kyung-ho. Choi Soo-young and actor Jung Kyung-ho, their love for one another is inseparable. For 12 long years, they have been in love with each other. Starting from attending Bruno Mars' concert, to going out on couple dates, shopping, hugging each other publicly, and even eating heartfelt meals with Choi Tae-joon and Park Shin-hye, they have done it all. Jung Kyung-ho loves and respects Soo-young a lot. He cherishes her to the point that there are no filters between them, it is just genuine love. Furthermore, during interview sessions, they praise each other immensely. Soo-young's little sister, Choi Soo-jin, shared that Soo-young and Kyung-ho have a really good chemistry and understanding for one another. Even if they are angry, they don't dump on each other. More years ahead of them, and we may get to hear their wedding news soon. 6. IU and Lee Jong-suk. IU and Lee Jong-suk are another pair who had to go through many trials and errors until the realization hit both of them hard that they are meant for each other. Ever since their encounter in the SBS Inkigayo, shown as the MCS, Lee Jong-suk and IU ended up with a bittersweet interaction, but that was enough for Lee Jong-suk to fall in love with her. Since then, a part of Lee Jong-suk's heart has always been with IU. He supported her silently and was there for her always. They became close best friends at some point, and Lee Jong Suk would often talk to her or seek advice. In 2017, Jong Suk was spotted attending IU's Palette concert right after coming back from Japan, making everyone's hearts melt. He even supported her through his Instagram stories, promoting her songs, My Sea and Epilogue. Even in an interview with El Korea, he talked about how IU's Winter Sleep is always on loop. In October 2022, everyone understood that they were beyond friends when IU attended Lee Jong Suk's brother's wedding, surprising everyone with such an intimate gesture. The same year, in his special speech at the MBC Award series, where he opened up about his love for IU, after completing my military service, I had a lot of worries, fears, and troubles plaguing me. But at that time, there was someone who helped me find a good direction as a human being and to think positive thoughts. There's something I really wanted to tell that person using this opportunity. I want to tell that person that I'm thankful to them for always being so admirable, that I've liked them a lot for a very long time, and that I respect and admire them greatly, he said. 31st December, Dispatch finally dropped the heartwarming news that they are the New Year's power couple. 7. Jung Ho Yeon and Lee Dong HWI. Squid Game, actress Jung Ho Yeon and Reply 1988 actor Lee Dong HWI's love life have always been the center of attention because of their 9-year age difference. Despite the negative remarks of the fans and netizens, they are deeply in love with each other, have been together for a decade, and are still going strong. May they experience all the happiness in the world. So, which couple do you admire the most? Drop your thoughts and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.